From the Mumbai studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. The only thing not normal tonight is the fact that Rhea Chakrabarti, who has been unable to explain her source of income to the Enforcement Directorate, has managed to hire the most expensive lawyers in the country. Who's paying for them? The only thing not normal tonight is the fact that some Lutyens media journalists are going out of their way to paint Rhea Chakrabarti as the poor, traumatized girlfriend who is being villainized by the terrible media for no reason at all. Viewers, by the way, remember, Rhea Chakrabarti called a film director in Delhi to organize friendly journalists for her. I am not saying that those journalists were paid. You can decide for yourself. Is there a machinery, a clique backed by some very powerful people, a cabal, a group of vested interests with something connecting them all that is protecting Rhea? Let's debate.
On Monday, dressed in a white kurta and a dupatta wrapped around her head, 28-year-old Rhea Chakrabarti walked into the Enforcement Directorate office in Mumbai. Today, as her aides Shruti Modi and Siddharth Pitani returned, the truth about Rhea's finances is raising suspicion. As per the Enforcement Directorate, there was no dramatic increase in Rhea's income from financial years 2017 to 18 to 2018 and 19. But her total fixed assets increased by 837.5%, and she even managed to buy stakes worth rupees 34 lakh. She even made a down payment of rupees 25 lakh for a flat in Mumbai's plush Khar area. What is even more startling is the fact that Rhea, who hasn't been able to explain her source of income, has hired the most expensive lawyers in the financial capital. What is shocking is that a Bollywood director reportedly forwarded the number of Bombay-based journalists who he told her would help with articles in her favor. What raises eyebrows is also the fact that there's a 100% match between her affidavit and the Maharashtra government affidavit in the Supreme Court of India. Be it on claiming a political link on media trial or be it on the joint attack on the family. Is there a larger, more powerful clique behind Rhea Chakrabarti? Let's debate.
You have the government of India on one side, Anand. You have the Bihar government on one side, and you have Rhea Chakrabarti on the other. Now, Rhea Chakrabarti must be the most powerful person in India. Given her resourcefulness, her ability to gather the best lawyers, she has a whole army. She has the Mumbai police fighting for her. She has the Maharashtra government fighting for her. She has the India's top lawyers fighting for her. She has legal firms, top counsels. She has a whole army out there. What makes her so powerful can only be because Rhea Chakrabarti is not operating alone. Rhea Chakrabarti is operating with a large group of very powerful people who are working very hard to protect her. So the questions which emerge are the following. Who are the people who are part of the Rhea clique? Why do those people not want India to know who murdered Sushant? Are they connected to those who are also involved in the mysterious death of Disha Salian? I'm just put 3 questions. Would anyone like to respond? What makes Riya Chakrabarti the most powerful person in the country?
Yeah.
Anand takes that. Anand, yeah. Anand went first. Sorry,
Hello?
Ravi. On my program, it's fastest finger first.
Yeah,
So, Ravi, please wait. Anand will respond to that. Thank you.
Yeah, good evening, Arnab. There are 2 points here. Number one, something that has, I'm sorry, there's an echo here. Something that has perplexed me since this whole case and the shenanigans began, which is that if Mumbai police was one of the best police forces in the world, if all these people who are now backing Ms. Chakrabarti had complete faith in the Mumbai police, why would the accused herself ask for a CBI probe? That's question number one. And question number two, as to where is all this money coming from, how do you earn so much money? Arnab, let me name a guy. Actually, his name cannot be printed, or as you say, printed. If you know, some years ago, a general brought out a fact that how come a journalist who earns quote-unquote a pittance is able to afford a 100 crore house in Lutyens, Delhi? How come a pugilist who has been knocked out more times than Pakistan have been knocked out of the Cricket World Cup is able to afford a 50 crore bungalow? So it is not about investigating where is the money coming from. But as you said, it is worth pointing out that a person who has only lakhs, maybe 10 or 12 lakhs in her bank account, how is she able to get all this massive machinery rolling? So obviously there is a huge political force behind it. And you need, of all the people, you need to be careful, because tomorrow she might be the Chief Minister of Maharashtra and she'll come after you.
Oh.
Well, she won't be the first Chief Minister to come after me. And the disadvantage is that I would have more experience on being on the receiving side at least. You see, the question is...
Arnabji, no,
thank you. Thank you. You're the only one who calls me Arnabji. Thank you for the affectionate respect you throw at me. I really deserve this
Arnabji,
respect.
Nobody humble point.
Thank you. No, I'll also with humility.
Black magic allegation, you have thrown every possible allegation on Riya. The social media theory is that Dawood Ibrahim was behind. The black magic angle was raised by Sushant.
I have not made any such stupid comments.
That fairness should be
I have not made any such stupid comments.
Shouldn't become injustice to Riya. Let truth come out. Let the investigation go on. But please remember, Riya, what if she is driven to something like this? What if she is driven to taking an ultimate step of losing herself? So we should be fair to people. We shouldn't be branding people. We shouldn't have a media trial and a witch hunt. That's the simple submission. We are all huge fans of Sushant Singh Rajput. He was such a talented actor. Such people should be respected and celebrated. At the same point of time, a witch hunt and a media trial on Riya Chakrabarti, who is equally a young star, shouldn't be there. And she has even suffered the allegation of black magic. What about raped and killed on Disha Salian by a former chief minister?
I have pictures coming in, viewers. These are live pictures, full frame. From the Enforcement Directorate, we are expecting Riya Chakrabarti to come out anytime now. And that is our reporter. You can see on the right-hand side. No, this is Siddharth Pitani, should be coming out anytime now. I think our reporter can hear me. Can I patch in Amit Bhardwaj, please, on the phone line? We're waiting for the pictures. We are going to patch him right now, viewers. He's going to give us a live commentary over these pictures. Amit Bhardwaj, you can see him there. He's got that mask on the right-hand side, looking to his left. That's Republic's reporter, Amit Bhardwaj. He's done a terrific job investigating this. Let's try and patch him in also, so we can speak to him on the phone line while we are live with the pictures. Viewers, as we wait for these pictures today, questions are being asked. Why are we questioning Riya Chakrabarti? To that, my answer is this. I will say to Riya Chakrabarti the same thing. I will say to Riya Chakrabarti, Rahul Ishwar, the same thing that I said. Now we are on. Same thing that I said to Shashi Tharoor. And I will say the same thing today, that Shashi Tharoor should have been extremely, extremely happy that I had promised to investigate who killed his wife. But Shashi Tharoor was not happy that I wanted to investigate, and I'm still investigating, who killed Sunanda. Similarly,
Sunanda,
if Riya truly loved Sushant, she's made this whole claim today in court, Swapnil, that I really was in love with him. Then she should not respond like Shashi Tharoor. Shashi Tharoor got nervous when I said I'll find out who killed Sunanda, and I would tell you, I will still find out who killed Sunanda. Similarly, I say today, Riya should be happy that we are investigating who killed Sushant. And to be on the side of the Mumbai police in this matter is very suspicious. Swapnil, you're on the debate. We're discussing this tonight. Who's backing Riya? Can she be operating alone? Can't hear.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, go on.
Yeah, it's a no-brainer that she cannot be operating alone. There has to be a big cabal behind her. I mean, you cannot afford the best lawyers. Even out of Sushant's money, I don't think she can afford the best lawyers, even if she can appoint one lawyer. But, she needs to have, the backing of quite a few powerful people. And, the flip-flop of the arguments that were there made by our counsel today was quite indicative of the fact that they don't have a case at all in the court. First of all, you ask for CBI, then you'd say that no CBI. And Arnab, my most important question here is, I would want this to be investigated, that why in the first place she said that I want the CBI. That means she did not trust the Mumbai police to support her. That is the main thing. Then suddenly after some time, after Sushant's death, 4 phone calls are made by that police officer to her. I'm sure that was not happy birthday. And then she knows, okay, we'll take care of you. So then she said, okay, now I want the Mumbai police. So,
okay, I'd like to go to Amit Bhardwaj if he can hear me.
Swapnil, such calls, such illustrations do not prove anything. Please refrain from it.
Please.
They do not prove anything. Making a call to DCP or DCP calling
I'll take away from the break from this debate for a minute. Amit Bhardwaj is at the ED office. Amit, you're live. I think you can hear me. What's going on there? Who's being questioned today? And who are you waiting for? Just a minute. Let me get a live report from the ED headquarters. Yes, Amit.
And get them fixed. That's the way.
Yes, Amit.
Come in the evening, but now there was the investigation is the questioning is still on. And now the Mitu is coming. Mitu is also here.
Back. The picture just froze out there. That was Sushant Singh Rajput's sister, who was in Mumbai when he died. She was just coming out of the ED headquarters. We're back with the feed. We're back with the feed.
Ma'am, your father has alleged allegations against Riya.
That is Mitu, Sushant Singh Rajput's sister. She's going into her car, not speaking to reporters. Very difficult time for Sushant's family because they're also being attacked simultaneously by the Maharashtra government, the Mumbai police, and of course Riya's PR machinery. Rahul Ardekar on the debate today. Is it time to connect the dots? Because this has to be a more powerful group than Riya Chakraborty operating alone. Rahul to debate with Shoaib.
Arnabji, I don't think there are any dots left. It's a straight.
Yeah.
Arnab, I don't think there are any dots left. It's a straight line. It's a straight line connecting the nexus between Maharashtra government and the accused in this case. The consistent and common prayers that both state of Maharashtra and Riya Chakraborty have placed before the court. There's nothing strange or there's nothing left to guess for anyone. What is the intention and what is the motivation behind such intention of both the entities and individual?
Yes, sure. Yeah.
With regards to an accused, I find it absolutely obnoxious where an accused gets to choose who should investigate the matter against him or her. I mean, Riya Chakrabarti to an extent saying that A, B, C does not have jurisdiction, I can appreciate. But when Riya Chakrabarti says that CBI should not investigate this matter, that's a big matter of concern. Because CBI has jurisdiction, definitely has jurisdiction to investigate this matter. Number 3, with regards to
Scotland Yard. Why to trust the Indian agencies only? Why the much CBI who has botched up the 2G
I couldn't have expected anything better from you. People like you would definitely like to involve. People like you would definitely like to involve foreign hands in domestic matters. May it be Pakistan or may it be an investigation of a crime in India.
To inquiry by any independent agency. She has said it in the Supreme Court.
What else can we expect from people like you? What else can we expect from people like you?
Tell me.
You like to have foreign entities and interfere in our domestic affairs. FBI, all these foreign agencies, you will be very happy to have them. May it be Pakistan or resolving Kashmir issue. People like you like to have foreign hands interfering in our domestic matters. That is the problem. And thanks for exposing yourself to that extent.
About the 2G case, 176 lakh crore rupees I fund and there was zero charge. Nothing happened there. What kind of CBI you have? What CBI will have? Tell me.
My friend, if nothing happened, if nothing happened, why was the Congress government? It was the Congress government who filed an FIR against Raja and against the DMK leaders. If there was nothing, why did you file FIRs? Why did you file FIRs if there was nothing? You answer my question. You answer my question. If there was nothing, why did you file an FIR? Why did you file an FIR if there was nothing? Can you answer that question? Just shouting aloud on television without making any sense is absolutely futile. You answer the question put across to you. Your question was, nothing came out of the 2G scam. Who filed the FIR in the 2G scam? It was your Prime Minister, Mr. Manmohan Singh's government that filed the FIR. Can you tell us? Can you explain why was that filed if there was nothing to be, nothing in the matter?
Sacked in the midnight at 1:30. What kind of agency is this? What credibility left for the agency now?
Yes, and your DCP and your police officers call up, investigating officers call up Riya Chakrabarti on her phone for what? To give her a summons via phone?
You have got
absolutely. Shoaib is responding on the other side, please. Shoaib. Akshay and Shoaib can come into the debate. You see what you need to practically examine. What you need to practically examine, and the fact is, 1 minute. You see what you need to practically examine, Akshay. Maybe Akshay Bardapurkar would like to come in. Akshay, what one needs to practically examine is, if somebody has already given Riya Chakrabarti a clean sheet, they cannot investigate her. The Maharashtra government and the Mumbai police has already, Savio has already given a clean sheet. They have built a narrative, they have prejudged the case, they have given a clean sheet to Riya. How dare they now go to the Supreme Court and say, we should investigate the case?
Where is the question? I don't think Maharashtra police, Mumbai police has ever given.
Of course they have. Of course they have. On multiple occasions, I can prove to you.
No. This is what you think. The investigation.
I don't think I can give you statements, Akshay. Akshay, I can give you statements, Akshay. Then take my statements, Akshay. Then take my statements, Akshay. I don't say anything without backing it up with fact. Home Minister Anil Deshmukh has said. Home Minister Anil Deshmukh. Viewers, Akshay, I don't want to shout. Akshay, I don't want to shout. I want to. Akshay, I'll tell you.
It is Arnab Goswami who's debating.
Yeah, good. Okay, thank you. Your problem is with me, no. Now relax. I don't have a problem if you have a problem with me. Come back to the case. Don't behave like Sanjay Raut. Don't behave like Sanjay Raut. Don't behave like Sanjay Raut on my program.
What circumstances did you say that
Sanjay Raut and you are beginning to sound alike. Now listen to me.
There is no question of any leader out here. It is you establish the proof. Where is the question of Maharashtra police giving the...
Have you finished? When you finish, I will speak. If you keep talking, I will not speak.
Okay.
Have you finished?
Yes.
Or you want to repeat the point for 115th time?
My only point is...
No. Have you finished? My only point is, have you finished? Are Akshay Bardapurkar, have you finished? Chalo, you finished. Finish, no. Have you finished or not? Have you finished or not? Savio, 1 minute. Have you finished, Akshay?
You are the showman.
No, I'm not a showman. You are the one who wants to be a showman. I am asking you, have you finished?
Yes.
First you decide.
Please go ahead.
Okay. Now you will be quiet when I expose you. You won't mind it, no? Because you will be
it's your
exposed
show.
before.
I'm your guest.
You will be
I
exposed
only
before
speak when you allow me to.
minimum 20
But when I
million
speak,
people
you
watching the
please don't
program
speak.
right now. Minimum 20 million people watching my program right now. You will be exposed before all of them. See.
But don't say that Riya has been given a clean.
Arey bhai, then you be quiet, I'll tell you, no? Point number 1. A man called Anil Deshmukh, Home Minister of Maharashtra, says that, you know, this man suffered from clinical depression. That's complete prejudging of the case, point 1. Sanjay Raut says, Sushant is not mentally stable. He behaves weirdly on sets. I have heard he has destroyed himself. Sanjay Raut said it. Why is he? Who is he? Advocate for Riya Chakrabarti, is it? He's an advocate for Riya Chakrabarti, spokesman. He's on a contract. Riya Chakrabarti is given a contract to Sanjay Raut. Huh? Speak for me. Third example, Mumbai police. 2 incoming, 2 outgoing and 1 SMS with Abhishek Trimukhe, DCP of Mumbai police. Parambir Singh, the great Parambir Singh, who should have resigned out of shame by now. No report, absolutely no investigation on the financial angle. Totally against CBI investigation. Now you want more details? If this is not prejudging, Savio, what is prejudging?
No, the problem is, Arnab, you are...
The whole case is prejudged and you then want to go to the... No, Savio, is this prejudging?
Of course it's prejudging. Of course. It started right at the start when they decided to term it as a suicide without even conducting an investigation. Isn't that not prejudging, my friend?
Savio.
It started right at the start.
Let the Mumbai police do its job, no?
It started at right at the start. You tell me why the Mumbai police prejudged it as a suicide.
Savio,
Did they see the body hanging?
We were also the
Did they see the body hanging? They did not.
Okay, we
they
also
did not,
want
my
justice.
friend.
But this is not the way media is going to tackle this whole issue.
How do you decide the way?
How do you decide that? How do you decide that?
How do you decide? You tell me, who are you?
By putting the facts out.
Who are you?
By putting the facts out.
Who are you to decide this?
A citizen of India.
Are you bigger than the Mumbai police?
Rahul Narvekar is also on the debate. 2 versus 2 now. Rahul Narvekar versus Akshay Bandapurkar. On the debate right now. It's open up.
What are you talking about?
A journalist.
Let the Maharashtra police decide what they want to do.
It's to bring out the truth.
I want to come into the debate.
Arey Baba, you bring out. Who are you to bring out the truth?
That is, we are journalists. That's why we have to bring out the truth.
Who are you? Journalists? Are you a cop?
Who are you?
If you have certain information,
I'm a journalist to bring out the truth. Who are you?
Shout here. Don't shout here. Go to the police.
You are nothing but a puppet.
It's not. It's so easy to talk about that.
Get personal, please.
You are questioning
Let us stick
a
to the
journalist's job. Are you questioning
Arey Baba, you are a journalist.
Let's stick to the job.
Talk to the
Let's
police.
stick to the debate, please.
No.
Are you a political
How do you
puppet?
know? How do you know that
Are you
Riya
a
is?
political puppet? You
Let's
answer
not
that.
get personal.
How do you know that Riya is guilty? How do you know she is guilty?
job of a
I don't
journalist
care. I'm neither with Riya. I'm neither with anyone. I only point I'm trying to make here.
Let's not have ad hoc arguments and
Please don't do this. You are nobody. Even if you're a journalist, you're nobody. You should go and talk to
Let's
the
not
police.
make it personal.
Don't sit here and just give your summons here.
Accept the truth. Accept the job of the journalist to bring out the truth. That's the job
Let's
of a
wait for
journalist.
the truth to come out before
Everybody,
branding
this is a
murder.
This is a WhatsApp investigation.
Let's
This is
get
happening.
to the
What?
investigation.
What are you talking?
Don't
Somebody
brand
said
it
something on the
for you, my
WhatsApp.
friend.
Some third person said something on the
investigation is for
WhatsApp.
you.
This is not the way you deal.
No,
People like me
I
don't
tell
go
you,
into
Akshay, you are an extremely uninformed person, I can find out. I'm sorry, but
Why is that? I've been watching.
I'll tell you why you are uninformed.
By the way,
I'll tell you why you're uninformed. Unlike you, I'm not shouting.
I have been watching.
Unlike you, I'm not shouting. Unlike you, I'm not shouting. Listen to me. You are a very uninformed person because, you know, there is a person who spoke to Sushant I have a recording of the conversation, a 22-minute chat the person had with
Have you
Sushant.
given that recording
And
to the
in
Mumbai
that,
police?
I don't trust the Mumbai police. I'll give it to CBI when CBI is investigating. I don't
Why is
trust the
that?
Mumbai police.
Why?
Mumbai police will destroy the evidence. Mumbai police will misuse the evidence. I don't trust them.
Not capable of retrieving it themselves? Mumbai police is not capable of retrieving it themselves? Do they have to be spoon-fed by everyone else?
No. My point
Why do you want Arnab to get-
Exactly.
Why should Arnab do the job of the Mumbai
Yeah, why should I do the job of the Mumbai police?
You don't trust the Maharashtra police. You don't trust the courts. You don't trust anybody.
I trust the courts completely. I trust the courts completely.
Let us wait.
You have a
Let us wait
22
for the
minute.
court.
I have complete faith in the courts.
So this matter will
How
get
did you
over
come to
right
the conclusion that
now.
Sushant was murdered? Why run the hashtag Sushant was murdered?
Okay,
How did you
Rahul
come to the
Narvekar is on the
conclusion that
debate.
Sushant
Rahul
was
Narvekar.
murdered?
If the name of
Rahul Narvekar and Anand are on the debate on one side, please. Thank you. Sonal Mansingh, I'm coming to you in a minute, please. Yeah. See, I just said out there that this gentleman out there, this gentleman.
What are the duties, responsibilities, and what is the jurisdiction of the media? The media, it is the right and the duty of the media to put facts which they discover in public domain. Number one. Number two, people like this gentleman. People like this gentleman who gets uncomfortable with the facts placed out by the media term these facts as media trial. Number three, it is an insult to the aptitude of our vibrant judiciary to assume that they get influenced by a media trial. So people who are uncomfortable with the facts laid out will term it as a media trial, and those who don't want to follow pursuit of the truth will term it as a media trial.
I believe that there is we need Akshay, listen here. Akshay, listen.
He doesn't believe the Mumbai police. I don't understand what is this. If you have a clipping or if you have a recording of 22 minutes, please hand it over to them. Might be.
Have you stopped shouting? Then I'll tell you. One minute. First of all, Rahul, he asked me a question. Let me respond to him. Rahul, let me respond to him. Rahul, he says that why are you doing this? Arey Baba, Akshay, apply common sense. If I with 10 reporters can find out so much in the Sushant case, then the entire Mumbai police, Sonal Mansingh with thousands of people should resign, or at least the commissioner should resign for not doing anything. Instead of behaving like spokespersons of Rhea Chakrabarti and embarrassing themselves in the whole country.
Not even filing a FIR after 2 months.
I don't understand.
Sonal Mansingh is on the debate. Sonal Mansingh wants to say something. Akshay, don't get stressed. I haven't even started. Yeah. Sonal Mansingh.
I'm here, I'm stressed.
Yeah, Sonal Mansingh. My question to you is obviously that Rhea obviously is not operating alone. That was where we started. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you very much for letting me put in a word edgewise between the debate of these gentlemen. I do believe that there is a huge clique supporting Rhea for their own selfish motives, whatever they may be. It's clear as crystal, is clear as daylight. Going back to so many questions that you have been raising, the media has been raising for the past so many days, 2 months and over. I wonder how these gentlemen, whoever they are, can speak so vehemently and defend the Bombay police or defend Rhea Chakrabarti and accuse Sushant, accuse his family, his friends,
absolutely,
and even the CBI.
Yeah.
I mean, this is going so far and it is so undignified. Now it is sub judice, it's in Supreme Court, and we all have faith in our judiciary, in the verdict of the Supreme Court. And as you said at the beginning, in your last debate also, Arnab, that we are sure the judiciary in its wisdom will do the right thing by this case so that truth comes out fully and finally. That is my prayer also.
I totally am with you on this. Now, Shoaib, why would a state government rally so much behind an accused? Shoaib, this has never happened ever before. I don't remember the last time. Aniket, I'm just coming to you after this. I don't remember the last time a whole state government rallies behind an accused. Did you ever find a case like this? It's bizarre. Everyone's talking about it. The state government is shamelessly providing a Raksha Kavach around Riya Chakrabarti. Why?
About it for the simple reason.
Why?
I'll tell you what. I don't see the state government standing behind Riya Chakrabarti, but I definitely do.
Who declared Riya Chakrabarti?
Now, can you hear me?
I can. When Ravi finishes his.
Are you competent authority to declare her as an accused?
I'm not declaring anyone an accused. I'm saying she is the accused. It's a fact. She's accused number one. What are you talking about? Swapnil, what is he talking about? Why is Ravi come unprepared to my program again?
Absolutely. Exactly.
Now let me come into the debate. Now that Mr. Rahul Narvekar mentioned.
Okay, Shoaib and Rahul Narvekar are debating right now. Shoaib and Rahul Narvekar on the screen. Thank you.
Now that Mr. Narvekar mentioned a few political parties, I do have.
There is a definite cabal. There is no question, Arnab.
Rahul Narvekar.
I have a few points of view, if you will allow me to make that, which is I suspect Sushant Singh's family, Republic TV, and the likes are working in collaboration to defend the Maharashtra government and the Mumbai police, and have multiple reasons to think on those lines. If you allow me,
I am
collaboration to bring out the truth.
I am certainly working to bring justice to Sushant's family.
The movie mafia theory, then a Bollywood gangs, then a fake penthouse parties theory, which were all demolished later on.
Nothing's demolished. Who are the people who were at Disha? Who are the people who were at Disha? 1 minute. Shoaib, factual. Ria, sorry, not Ria. What's your name? Shoaib, my one counter to you, if I please. Shoaib, one counter to you, if you please. Thank you. See, Shoaib.
No, just one more point.
Shoaib, I'm giving you a response to that. You know? Yeah. See, I don't know whether it was a penthouse or not, but my investigations and 3 sting operations have found out that there were multiple people who were there. There were not 4 people, there were 6 to 8 people. And almost all of them were allowed to go. The body was not taken by the police, the body was taken by others. All the people who were at the party went away. Now I want to know who were the people at the party, A. B, why were the people not interrogated or investigated? 1 minute, allow me to complete. The CDR records for Sushant and Disha to establish who Sushant spoke to. Now Sushant made a call to Mahesh Shetty around between 1 and 2 in the morning, right? There are certain versions which say that he died at around 3:30, that means 2 hours before he died. The other version is that he died after 10 o'clock, right? That's 7 to 8 hours before he died. Mahesh Shetty did not take that call, but Mahesh Shetty went after he died along with Sandeep Singh, who was with Sanjay Nirupam, as per Sanjay Nirupam, but who was at his house as per himself. 3 versions of where he was. Reaches this place, joins hands with Mr. Pithani, 2 ambulances come in, nobody sees the body hanging. The body is brought down by Pithani, who's at least half a foot shorter than Sushant, right? And the ligature marks do not indicate the use of the green cloth. So you do understand, in a case like this, the first thing any competent official, Rahul Narvekar, will do is say that this is a very, very suspicious death. Instead, at every level, coalition level, minister level, MP level, chief minister level, Riya Chakrabarti gets tremendous support from the state government. Now you open the debate. Forget your prepared comments which you came with, Shoaib. Now answer me. And now come into the debate fresh with Rahul Narvekar. Now he can't reply. No. Now Shoaib can't reply because Shoaib thought I have come with a prepared statement.
Hold on.
Now he can't reply, Rahul.
I still accuse. No. I still accuse you of running a campaign. I still accuse you of running a malicious campaign against the government and the Maharashtra government and the Mumbai police.
Everybody, the state government said that when I ran a campaign, others also. Every government who I question says I ran a campaign. When I ran a campaign against the BJP government during Lalit Gate, the BJP said I was running a campaign against them. So that's nothing. But why are you taking that right? You're not a politician.
I am surprised at the conduct and the views expressed by this gentleman who comes from the film fraternity, who was a colleague of Sushant Singh Rajput. Instead of wanting to know the truth behind his death, he wants to defend people who are accused
on a similar campaign
and raises questions about the integrity of people who raise questions about the investigation in this case. He should be ashamed.
He has no reply, will now pretend he cannot hear.
Why am I mute? Why am I not being heard on the debate?
Or not,
because you're not speaking.
People like him who do not
because
want
nothing
the truth
to say.
To come out, make allegations of there being a conspiracy, make allegations of there being a consolidation of forces, which people like who are uncomfortable with the truth coming out, make such bold and empty allegations.
What is more unfortunate is that Sushant Singh's family has been extremely irresponsible in handling their son's life. If they were aware that, his life was in danger for the last 6 months,
how do you know? 1 minute. Who's fed you that?
You mentioned
this man appears to be part of Riya Chakrabarty's PR. He should apologize for this comment. Swapnil, I think he should issue an apology on television for this comment.
Why should I do that?
He should issue an apology on television right now for that comment.
Why, if they had sent a message to the Mumbai cops, if they had sent a message on 24th February, why were they sleeping or did not come to Mumbai? This is not how Indian families function.
Excuse me, Mr. Shoaib. These are absolutely insensitive comments to make. Please, Mr. Shoaib, I've heard you. Mr. Shoaib, I've heard you.
Why was the father not in Bombay?
Mr. Shoaib, I've heard you. Mr. Shoaib, I've heard you. Please be quiet. Please, yes, I have 2-3 points to make, Mr. Shoaib. Yes, first of all, if you listen to me patiently, you can counter me later on. First of all, Mr. Shoaib, it's a very insensitive comment to make. Secondly, if you have a problem with Republic TV running a so-called campaign, please file an application before a court of law trying to stop this campaign and see what result and what fate it meets. It will be trashed, it will be thrown out, and it will be thrown into the dustbin. Because freedom of speech is very paramount to the freedom of press, and that is a fundamental right. That's two. Number three, to Mr. Ravi Srivastava. Now, Mr. Srivastava, you made a point that,
Aniket is also on the debate.
This doesn't
responding
mean
to Swapnil.
Nothing proves.
Aniket Nigam, a young advocate joining us from Jalgaon. Yes, Aniket.
I want to point out the inconsistencies in the stand that Riya Chakrabarty has been taking. In the Supreme Court, initially she said that she wants to be investigated by Mumbai police. Then she takes a U-turn and now she files a fresh affidavit saying that she has
Aniket and Akshay will debate now.
If CBI investigates this offense. However, in her affidavit she also says, Arnab, that she is being tried by media. There's a media trial going against her, but she selectively leaks the WhatsApp conversation that she has with the family of Sushant.
Brilliant.
So at one point in time,
let Aniket speak. He's destroying your argument, Akshay. Akshay is destroying your argument. Let him speak. He's destroying it. He's making mincemeat of your argument. Let him speak. Akshay, let Aniket speak. Let the young lawyer speak.
And on the other side, Akshay, and on the other side in Supreme Court, she says she's a victim of media trial. She is blowing hot and cold before Supreme Court. She is blowing hot and cold before Supreme Court. Such kind of petitioners have got no respect, have got no value because they are playing with words.
Aniket, what did the Supreme Court?
Well done, Aniket. Brilliant point, brilliant.
Well done, Aniket.
Brilliant points by Aniket. Akshay is nervous. Akshay responding. Only two will debate right now. We're all witness to this fight. 1 second. Akshay, please remember, you are up against a very highly trained, motivated young lawyer.
Aniket,
okay?
Whatever
he knows what he's talking about.
Aniket, whatever Riya wanted to say, she said it in the court. She might say, I belong to the moon, I belong to the stars.
She said it on solemn affidavit, Akshay. She said it on solemn affidavit.
Okay, so let the court decide now. That is my whole point.
It's on oath. She says she's a victim of media trial.
Okay, she has made. Okay, you say she made a statement, right? You say
what is this?
You say that
if you are a victim of media trial, then don't take help of media to push your case further.
Okay.
You are taking help of media to push your case further to show that you are innocent. Don't do that.
My
you stick to your stand. You stick to your ethics.
आप lawyer हो, I'm saying
that if she has made this statement, if she's put it in the affidavit, let the court decide. No, Aniket. If they feel
the
that
court
she's
is going to decide. We are talking about the double standards that she is adopting before the highest court of our country. In Supreme Court, she is filing affidavits of different nature, of different flavor and color.
Media version. We are all depending. We are all relying on certain information which is coming to us. One is Twitter, one is Instagram.
No, it's in public domain, Baba. Akshay, this affidavit is in public domain. You must subscribe to legal websites. You will get a copy of it.
I am not a lawyer. I will not.
Yeah, no. You don't have to be a lawyer, but you've got to have common sense. I want Anand to come back to the debate, and I'm so happy today. I'm so happy that the family has filed a case against Sanjay Raut and has asked him to apologize. Akshay, listen to me now. You and Shoaib, listen to me. Now we'll open the debate. Akshay, listen. Akshay, yes, I allowed him to speak because he spoke last and he spoke a lot of sense, by the way. You should compliment him.
Yes.
You should compliment him for the points he made. Now the argument is, Anand.
On what basis you can say, Arnab, that Mumbai police is helping
now,
Riya
one
Chakrabarti?
second. I've been listening very patiently
Answer me
to you.
one thing. In February, Mumbai police received information that something is wrong with Sushant. Did Mumbai police take cognizance of that information that was brought to their knowledge? And if Sushant unfortunately died on 14th of June...
What do you mean family sleeping at home? What do you mean family sleeping at home? What do you mean family sleeping at home? Viewers, please watch this. The entire Riya PR machinery is out to attack Sushant's family now. Is the Maharashtra government so rattled by a probe into the alleged murder that the Shiv Sena leader Sanjay Raut, in his article in Samna, has launched a brutal attack on Sushant Singh Rajput's father, saying, why did he marry a second time? Who the hell is Sanjay Raut to get into the family's private business? How dare he make that comment? And now the family of Sushant Singh Rajput has said Sanjay Raut should apologize or face case for slander. I want to ask you, Akshay, Anand, why is Sanjay Raut of the Shiv Sena going so deep into, what is Sushant's family's personal life? How many times did Sushant's father marry or remarry? What is that of concern to him? It seems he's a motivated party. I think we should find out the call detail records of Sanjay Raut as well, to find out what is his interest in this case. Why is he making slanderous comments like this repeatedly? And you will support it, and then you will call it representative of the views of the people of this state. It's not. Do you think the people of Maharashtra should be made to share the blame for what Sanjay Raut has done? For the way Sanjay Raut is behaving? You want to tell me that is representative of anyone? Shame on you, Akshay, for supporting this. Shame on you.
What?
Shame on you.
Everybody in this country, just like you, Arnab, has a right to the point of view. You cannot be slandering people like this openly.
Shame on you people for attacking Sushant's family. For attacking Sushant's family. That was the last thing that was left to be done.
Responsible for not
all of you have. What wrong has Sushant's family done? They have refused to accept the cover-up of the Mumbai police.
And who's covering all the statements?
They did not provide emotional support to his son when they were aware that his life is in danger.
I'd like Anand to come into the debate, please. Emotional support. Have you seen the messages Sushant's father sent?
Arnab,
you know what his father is grieving? I have never seen a case like this. I have never seen a case like this, Anand. Anand, in my life, I have never seen a case where the state becomes party to attacking the victim's entire family. I want to know why.
Why is the family's
Arnab,
version changing?
I have to begin by saying that I'm absolutely shocked by...
down to Patna.
Now, sir, can you please stop interrupting? Yeah, I've been hearing patiently whatever you're saying. Please have the courtesy.
Sorry,
please, thank you. Arnab, thank you. Thank you very much. Arnab, I'm absolutely appalled by the statements made by these two people. I used to think these two guys are from WhatsApp University, लेकिन ये तो TikTok Polytechnic College से लगते हैं. What are the kind of statements these guys have been making? And even if we ignore the abominable statements made by these guys against Sushant Singh Rajput's family, I want to ask them just one question. Now they are very sympathetic, or their empathy towards Riya Chakrabarti and her team. So I want to ask them one thing. Again, if Mumbai police was so good, why did she ask for the CBI to come in? Ask a question.
I think Anand.
Why don't you answer this?
No, Anand. I think you know everything.
It's a simple question.
Do you know everything?
Rather than dilly-dallying and beating about the bush, I have just asked you a simple question.
And you call.
Do you have the guts to answer this or not?
From the WhatsApp University, if you have something, you go and talk to the police. What are you talking? I mean, what is this speculation all about? All the speculation is all about
the
Mumbai police was doing
that there is a problem with Sushant's life.
What are you talking about?
There is a problem with Sushant's life. A message was sent to the police
in the Supreme Court
by the family. The question is, why was it not taken to its logical end? And now you are asking, why did the family not make a written complaint?
To be transferred to the CBI.
Akshay ji, there is no requirement in law that there has to be a written complaint.
But we wanted
even
the
a WhatsApp message
to
can constitute an FIR.
So
they
this
should
is
have taken cognizance of it.
Kind of thing that the ends do not justify the means. Why? If you have so much faith in the CBI and you want in the end the CBI to investigate it, what does it matter which state transfers it?
Now Riya Chakrabarti herself wants that they should be investigated by CBI. So let Maharashtra government concede to that request now.
Okay, that is for the Maharashtra government to decide. Let them move the application. Let them deny it. Let them
because the affidavits, even the affidavits are matching. Even the affidavits are matching. The submissions are matching. If the affidavits are matching, the submissions in courts are matching. So the request must also match.
The means do not matter. It doesn't matter if the Bihar state or the Maharashtra state recommends the transfer of the case to the CBI.
I want to ask you something. As a lawyer, you don't trust Mumbai police.
That the investigation should be carried out by the CBI, right?
Please understand.
So she would win.
This is a case. This is a case which involves the Bihar government.
I am asking, Akshay, if you can chill for a minute. Akshay, 1 minute, 1 minute. Aniket, I'm telling you one thing. What this man is doing is, no, 1 minute. What he's doing is, Akshay, he's trying to intimidate you. He's trying to say you don't have faith in the Mumbai police. You're a young lawyer. Someday in your career, you may have to work with the Mumbai police. I will then hold this statement against you. Stop these bullying tactics, yaar. This boy is a young man, is very smart. He will make a career for himself. He'll build I predict he's going to be a damn good lawyer. In any case, he's one Akshay. Now, it's all right. It's Akshay. No, let me tell you, Aniket, in life you will face many people like Akshay, who will try to intimidate and bully you because they can't argue with you on fact. You stand your course, but I'll ask him today. What we are asking him, Rahul, Sonal Mansingh is
inspiration from you.
No, we are well, that's very kind of you to say that. Akshay, listen to me. Whole circuit is created to rally behind Riya. Why is it necessary? Sonal Mansingh wants to come into the debate. Sonal Mansingh, please. Let nobody interrupt Sonal Mansingh, please. Yeah. Sonal Mansingh on the debate, please. Thank you.
Thank you.
When Sonal Mansingh speaks, even I keep quiet, Akshay. So please, thank you. Yeah.
Thank you. I want to take you back to Sanjay Raut, and as a fellow Rajya Sabha member of Parliament, I feel extremely embarrassed, and I feel very, very sad that an elder, we are considered the elder house, house of the elders, he should behave like this, speak like this, and write like this. Number two, I want to take you back to the Watergate and Nixon Gate, talking about the freedom of press to investigate and bring out facts. So that is where, Arnav, you stand, that for consistently 2 months and more, you have been digging out details and facts which the Bombay police hasn't been able to do. So I think there is a great job ahead for you, and I hope Supreme Court will recognize that.
Absolutely. And another point we need to look at, and maybe Xavier, you can come on it. Rahul, yes, Rahul, you're complaining, but tell me, Rahul, has a media circuit...
Murder. It is unfair. You are running a hashtag that Sushant was murdered. What is the evidence you have? Have the investigation been concluded?
I have all the evidence.
Did the CBI say so?
I have all the evidence with me.
How do you come to the conclusion that Sushant was murdered?
I believe he was murdered on the basis of common sense and a lot of investigation which I have done in the course of the last 3 weeks. 4 weeks. For 1 month I've been investigating the case. I believe that he was murdered.
You shouldn't be doing injustice.
I am not prejudicing anyone, but I believe he was murdered, and I am sure it will come out.
Running this hashtag on popular media and national media saying that Sushant
Yes, and the fact that we are close to 1 lakh tweets on this, and it is trending #1 in India, makes me believe that everyone in India also believes Sushant was murdered.
Absolutely. That doesn't change the truth. Even if 100 crore believe, that doesn't matter. Truth doesn't depend on the belief of any number of people.
No, it's not a question of belief on any number of people. No. This is freedom of press. Sorry. I don't know whose lines are you parroting, Mr. Ishwar.
Rahul Ishwar.
Popular newsman. You can influence millions of people, but that doesn't change the reality. Let us wait for the investigation to come out. Please don't give answers. Only raise questions. You are right now giving answers that Sushant was murdered. How could you come to that conclusion?
Freedom of press enshrined in the 1991 Constitution.
Hashtag Sushant was murdered.
I was proud that
Excuse me, you know the conduct of this person smacks of guilt. The conduct of this person smacks of his fear that the truth will come out. The hashtag Sushant was murdered also invites views which think in the contrary. Please understand.
Rahul, if
and Arnab,
if he has the recording, doesn't it make sense that he goes and
I will not give the recording to the Mumbai police.
Why are you feeling so guilty? Why are you feeling so guilty? Hashtag Sushant was murdered also invites contrary views. You are free to put up contrary views.
Sushant will get
Republic, nor has Republic, neither has Arnab Goswami stated that you cannot post contrary views. If you feel that he wasn't murdered, you can put up your views. Why are you feeling so guilty? Why are you feeling so upset? Why are you feeling so disturbed? It only smacks of your intentions to conceal the truth. It smacks of your intentions for the nation not knowing the truth.
That is what I'm trying to say. If everyone has some of the.
No, then what bothers you? How does 1 minute? 1 minute. Just a minute. You answer my question. You have a problem with the hashtag Sushant was murdered. Does the hashtag further say you cannot express views in the contrary? You are free to say that he wasn't murdered. He committed suicide.
No,
why are you blaming the media for putting up questions? What is your problem with the media? Why are you shooting the messenger?
Republic Channel run a hashtag saying that we support Mumbai police? We believe
Why
in
should
Mumbai
I?
police.
The Mumbai police responsible for the cover-up. You want me to support them?
That today, unfortunately.
Not on. I mean, come on. Are you out of your mind?
The manner in which this investigation has been conducted by the Mumbai police, can a sensible person say they support Mumbai police in this investigation? So many contradictions.
Primary facts are before you, viewers. I have some very strong leads. We are very close to another big breakthrough in this case. We are close to another big breakthrough. I'm not going to give out details, but we have got some very big leads on this. Stop us if you can. Mumbai police, you can't. This case has to go to the CBI. See you tomorrow at 9 with that and more. Good night and good night.